Hello and welcome back again. So here's what I packed for my little trip off to Flagstaff. Obviously I'm bringing my coffee machine here and bring your favorite coffee bean. Okay. And then I usually bring my knockbox to my trip. Okay, here's my knockbox, my dosing funnel. If you want to bring, your portafilter is fine, but it's definitely optional. Okay, you only need one. Okay. And what else you gonna bring? Milk picture. I usually bring my small scale. And pretty much it. Okay, I got my coffee and then also, little distribution holder. And then I have my my coffee mats on the bottom as well. It's a very simple setup. Okay, extremely simple. And let's not forget my rice cooker for my trip. Anyway, I hope you guys having a wonderful weekend, and then see you guys in a few days.